Ladies and gentlemen, it's my great pleasure to welcome you all to this evening as we are celebrating an early Christmas and also as we are closing this last chapter of 2023 and in less than a month entering the new year. This year has been very difficult for many of us. We've had many security and environmental challenges. The ongoing conflict after the 7th of October has been devastating. We've expressed our concern about the loss of innocent civilians, and we continue to be concerned about all those civilians that have lost their lives and the possibility of expanding this conflict to the region. We hope that there will be a peaceful solution to this problem, as we believe that war is never a lasting solution for any conflict. There is no real winners in any war. It's just different degrees of losses of the parties in conflict. I believe that in this war there is a lesson to be learned, that conflicts can be solved while we have time before escalating into military confrontation. We have similar situation here. I hope that we can have solutions to all of the outstanding problems before they escalate into some difficult decisions that need to be made later on. We are trying our best to find peaceful solutions, long-lasting solutions. This year has been difficult from an environmental point of view too. We have been subject to this climate change and many of the problems that we've seen across the globe. Just recently, I was in UAE and I participated COP28. There were many speeches, excellent speeches, about how we should tackle this problem. I recently read a quote. Somebody says that isn't it baffling that we are spending trillions of dollars looking for life and in the outer space in another planet, but we are destroying the life and the planet we already live on. Maybe there is an exaggeration about the money spent, but the point is very clear. We are actually destroying our planet. I hope that we can come together to find real solutions to the problems. Releasing CO2 to the air, polluting our land and waters, need to come to an end. There are different parties and everyone has a responsibility. We are trying to do our part here to save this part of our planet at least. In terms of security and other challenges that we face, I find it very ironic that sometimes humans kill to feel safer. They starve others to feed their greed. I hope that we all come together and live together and coexist. We here in Kurdistan have tried to create an inhabitable place for everyone, people of different backgrounds, different ethnicities, different religions and faiths. We are very proud to see that Kurdistan is an oasis of stability and coexistence. We are trying to solve our problems with Baghdad. We have had many meetings. I've had many conversations with the Prime Minister in Baghdad. And we are trying to find ways how to solve some of the issues, especially when it comes to the budget, that our people have been suffering for months now. I hope that this will be solved in the next year. We are trying also to face all of these security challenges in the region. We thank all of you that have contributed and supported us during the war with extremism and ISIS. in order to prevent the rise of extremism and the return of groups such as ISIS, we need to promote democracy, justice, and equality. And here I ask all of you to help us to have a better year in 2024. Once again, Merry Christmas to all of you and Happy New Year, and I hope you enjoy your evening. Thank you.